I'm Rotu Anastasia Ambarita with my friends Deborah Renita Paulina Siahaan, Esther Mulyana Marpaung, and Raul Hutagaol will explain the material about general chemistry, about chemical calculation and reaction equations. There are 5 parts of chemical reaction equations. The first is definition of chemical. The second is why should you follow the law of immortality of mass. The third is ways of writing chemical reaction equations chemical. The fourth is an example of writing a chemical reaction equation. And the last is equalizing chemical reactions. Okay, the first part is definition of chemical. Reaction equations. Chemical reaction equations are equations that show changes in substances that occur during reactions chemistry takes place. Substances that are located to the left of the arrow are called reagents or reactants, and substances to the right of the arrow are called reaction products or products. Chemical reaction equation must follow the law of conservation of mass.
I will explain about why should you follow the law of immortality of mass. Hydrogen plus oxygen, the product is water, where hydrogen as reactant, oxygen as product, air as reactant result. Example, reactant the first, H2 gas plus O2 gas. The product is H2O aqueous. In the first reactant, the number of O atoms before and after the reactant is different, so it does not meet the law of mass ratio. So this reactant is called an unequal reactant. Reactant kedua, the second, 2H2 gas plus O2 gas. The product 2H2O aqueous. In the second reactant, the number of H and O atom before and after the reactant is the same, so in the second reactant it fulfills the law of mass ratio. So this reactant is called unequal reactant. The next, ways of writing chemical reactant equation chemical. An example of writing a chemical reactant equation. Chains or cold chemical reactant are usually written in the form of a reactant equation. In the reactant equation, the apparent coefficient is always given to fulfill the law of conservation of mass and Dalton's theory. Dalton stated that the type and numbers of atoms involved in ordinary chemical reactions do not change but only undergo rearrangements. Actually, Dalton's thing only explained the law of the conversion of mass. As an example of writing a chemical reactant equation, metal aluminium atau Al react with oxygen gas O2 to form aluminium oxide Al2O3. How to write it in the form a chemical reactant equation? Al plus O2 product is Al2O3.
A. Equalizing chemical reactions. To balance a chemical reaction equation requires both quantitative and qualitative aspects. Quantitative aspects are needed in balancing the coefficient of reagent and reaction result based on the law of conservation of mass. Namely, the number of mass before the reaction is equal to the mass after the reaction. Thus, a reaction can show the amount of its substance involved in the reaction. 1 mole is the number of substance that contain as many particles of that substance as atoms contained in 12 grams of 12 Celsius as much as 6,023 multiplied 10 rank 23. An example of the equation for the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen is as follows: 2H2 plus O2 so produce 2H2O. The chemical equation shows that 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of water. Qualitative aspects are needed in giving things or symbols of physical property of reagent and reaction products. The steps in balancing a chemical reaction equation are as follows. 1. Write down the unical reaction equation. 2. Determine the number of atoms in the left and right sets a row. 3. Balance the number of atoms of each element or compound in the left and right section. 4. Check again the number of atoms in the left and right section. 5. Give the from the substance or material as solid, liquid, gas, or solution. Combustion of butane gas C4H8 with oxygen O2 produce carbon monoxide, CO gas, and water vapor H2O. Write down the equation for dissection. So 1. Write down the equation for the unical reaction C4H8 plus O2 so produce CO plus H2O. 2. Balance the amount of C4H8 plus O2 so produce 4CO plus H2O. 3. Number of H equals the C4H8 plus O2 so produce 4CO plus 4H2O. 4. Balance the number of O C4H8 plus 4O2 so produce 4CO plus 4H2O. 5. Finally write down the equivalent reaction and the form of substance C4H8 plus 4O2 so produce 4CO plus 4H2O. Chemical calculation or stoichiometry. A. Determination of reagent gas volume and reaction results. Question that arises after Gay-Lussac suggested that the law of the ratio of volume could be solved by an Italian physicist named Amedeo Avogadro in 1811. According to Avogadro, gases of the same volume, if measured at the same temperature and pressure, will have the same number of molecules. Since the volume ratio of hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and water vapor in the water vapor formation reaction together with 2-ethyl 1-ethyl 2. The ratio of the number of molecules of hydrogen, oxygen, and water vapor is also 2-ethyl 1-ethyl 2. The number of atoms of each element doesn't decrease or increase in chemical reactions. Therefore, the hydrogen gas molecule and the oxygen gas molecule must be a diatomic molecule, while the water vapor molecule must be a triatom molecule. The ratio of the gas volume in any reactions is in accordance with the reaction coefficient of the gases. This means that if the volume of one gas is known, the volume of the other can be determined by reaction comparing the coefficients. Example, in the reaction to form water vapor, 2H2 plus O2 so produce 2H2O. If the volume of H2 gas measured at 25 level Celsius and a pressure of 1 atm is 10 L. The volume of O2 and H2O gases at the same pressure and temperature can be determined as follows. Volume H2 equally volume O2 together with coefficient H2 equal coefficient O2. Alright, next time I will explain B. Relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass. After the invention of very sensitive equipment in the early 20th century, chemistry carried out experiments on the mass of one atom. For example, an experiment was conducted to measure 1. The mass of one atom H together with 166 multiplied 10 ranked minus 24 Z. 2. The mass of one atom O together with 2,7 multiplied 10 ranked minus 23 Z. 3. The mass of one atom C together with 199 multiplied 10 ranked minus 23 Z. From the data above, it can be seen that the mass of one atom is very small. Experts agreed to use the atomic mass unit or AMU, or the atomic mass unit AMU, or so-called Dalton unit. In the atomic structural material, it has also been studied that atoms are very small. Therefore, it is impossible to weigh the atoms using a balance. 1. Relative atomic mass or AR. Experts use the carbon isotope C12 as the standard with a relative atomic mass of 12. Relative atomic mass expresses the ratio of the average mass of one atom of an element to 1 b divided 12 of the atomic mass C12, or it can be written 1 atomic mass unit or AMU together with 1 b divided 12 mass of 1 C12. Example: atom, the average atomic mass of oxygen is 1,33 times greater than the atomic mass of carbon C12. Then ARO together with 1,33 multiplied ArC12 together with 1,33 multiplied ArC12 together with 50,96. Experts compare the different atomic mass using the relative atomic mass called with the symbol Ar. The experts decided to use C12 or isotope 12C because it has an inert stability compared to other atoms. The atomic isotope C12 has an atomic mass of 12 AMU. 1 High school is equal to 1,6605655 multiplied 10 ranked 24 Z. By using the 12C isotope as a standard, the atomic mass of other elements can be determined. The relative atomic mass of an element Ar is a number that expresses the ratio of the mass ratio of one atom of that element to 1 b divided 12 of the mass of one C12 atom. Arx together with average atomic mass X b divided 1 b divided 2 atomic mass of carbon 12. Example problem: if you know the mass of one oxygen atom is 2,7 multiplied 10 ranked 23 Z, what is the R atom of O if the atomic mass of C is 1,99 multiplied 10 ranked minus 23 Z? Answer: the value of R is also determined by the average value of the isotope. For example, in nature, there are 35 Cl and 37 Cl with a ratio of 75% and 25%. Then ArCl can be calculated by ArCl together with 75% multiplied 35 plus 25% multiplied 37 together with 35,5. R is a number of comparisons so that no half units. R can be seen on the periodic table of the elements or TPU and is always included in the unit questions if needed. 2. Relative molecular mass or MR. Molecules are a combination of several elements with certain radians. The same elements combine to form elemental molecules, whereas different elements form compound molecules. The molecular mass of the element or compound is expressed by the molecular mass or MR. Relative molecular mass is the ratio of the molecular mass of the element or compound to 1b divided 12 multiplied the atomic mass of C12.
The concept of moles and Avogadro's content. Divide into 1 molar mass, 2 molar volume, 3 gas volume in non-standard condition. 1. Molar mass. Molar mass as the formula molar mass equal to mass divide mole. Mass equal mole times relative mass or relative atoms. 2. Molar volume. Example problem: what is the volume of CO2 gas whose mass is 22 gram? Relative atoms to C is 12, to O is 16 when measured at a pressure of 1 atm. Answer: relative mass CO2 is 44. What is the volume of CO2 gas whose mass is 22 gram? Relative atom to C is 12, O is 16, measured at a pressure of 1 atm. Answer: relative mass CO2 is 44. 3. Gas volume non-standard condition. Divide into ideal gas. Has the formula P times V equal to N times R times T. 2. With a gas conversion at the same temperature and pressure. Formula: V1 or V2 equal to N1 and N2.
Okay, that's all the material explanation from us about general chemistry, about chemical calculation and reaction equations. If there is an error in the words, please forgive us. Thank you. See you next time.